Diving into adjective clauses, your key to great descriptions. Hello, English learners. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a key element of English grammar, the adjective clause. An adjective clause is a group of words that work like an adjective to modify or describe a noun or pronoun. They can bring your language skills to the next level, making your descriptions richer and more nuanced. Adjective clauses are dependent clauses, which means they cannot stand alone as complete sentences. They always connect to an independent clause, a sentence that can stand on its own. An adjective clause starts with a relative pronoun like who, whom, whose, that, or which, or a relative adverb such as when, where, or why. Here's an example. The woman, who was wearing a red dress, looked stunning. In this sentence, who was wearing a red dress, is the adjective clause describing the woman. Now let's move on to two important types of adjective clauses: restrictive and non-restrictive clauses. Restrictive adjective clauses. A restrictive adjective clause provides essential information about the noun it is modifying. It cannot be removed without changing the meaning of the sentence. These types of clauses don't use commas. For example, the cars that are parked outside are for sale. Here, that are parked outside is a restrictive clause. If we remove it, the sentence's meaning changes significantly. Non-restrictive adjective clauses. On the other hand, a non-restrictive adjective clause adds extra, non-essential information to a sentence. It can be removed without changing the overall meaning. Non-restrictive clauses are usually set off with commas. For example, my brother, who is an architect, just bought a new house. In this case, who is an architect is a non-restrictive clause. If we take it out, the main message, that my brother bought a house, still remains. Some adjective clauses start with a preposition, such as in, at, for, or from. This happens when the relative pronoun is the object of the preposition. For example, consider this sentence. This is the building in which I work. Here, in which I work, is an adjective clause with a preposition. That's all for our exploration of adjective clauses. We covered their definition, restrictive and non-restrictive clauses, and clauses with prepositions. Remember, practice is key to mastering these elements. So try using them in your daily conversations or writing exercises. They can really elevate your English language skills. We hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Keep practicing, and happy learning!